Stop letting your AI models hallucinate because of stale training data from 2 years ago. Today, I'm showing you how to build an RAG pipeline that feeds live, real-time web data directly into your LLM using the Decodo web scraping API. We are moving past static documents and building a system that actually knows what is happening on the internet right now without getting blocked or stuck behind a captcha. So one of the biggest challenges when building AI applications is dealing with outdated information. Most models are limited by a knowledge cutoff, which means they can only work with the information they were trained on unless you give them access to fresh data. That's where Decodo comes in. Instead of relying on stale data sheets, Decodo allows developers to pull real-time information directly from websites and feed it into AI workflows, RAG pipelines, and AI agents. And reliability matters here. Decodo was ranked number 2 in the 2025 Proxy Way benchmarks for scraping success rates, making it a strong alternative to maintaining your own custom scraping infrastructure. Once we are here on the site, what you can do is on the dashboard, you can create a free account. It's very simple and easy to set up. Then once you get set up and you are in the Decodo dashboard after creating the free account, and one thing that's worth pointing out, that it is a free plan and it doesn't require credit card and includes up to 2,000 requests, giving developers plenty of room to test and build before committing to a paid plan. As you explore through here, you'll notice in the dashboard, everything is organized around helping you manage scraper projects, API access, and data collection workflows from a single interface. One of the biggest headaches with traditional scraping is dealing with blocked requests, captures, JavaScripts, rendering, and constantly changing websites. Instead of manually managing all of the infrastructure yourself, Decodo handles much of it automatically behind the scenes. Here, we're inside the scraping playground using the target URL. This could be a product page, a news article, documentation page, or virtually any public web page that contains information you want to retrieve. And while collecting raw HTML is useful, the real advantage comes from what happens next. By entering the AI parser, Decodo automatically transforms messy page content into structured data. And this is where a lot of development time can be saved. Normally, you need to build custom parsing logic, extract specific elements, clean the data, and organize everything yourself. The AI parser handles much of that process automatically. And the difference becomes obvious when you compare the outputs. Yeah, on one side, you have raw HTML containing all the page markup formatting and unnecessary content. And on the other side, you have clean structured JSON that's much easier to work with inside AI applications. And for developers building RAG systems, AI agents, or automated research workflows, this dramatically reduces the amount of pre-processing required before data can be passed into an LLM. So we'll pass that through there. Once the API key is configured, integrating Decodo into an AI workflow is surprisingly straightforward. Here we're using the official Decodo LangChain loader to pull live content directly from the target URL. The loader handles the retrieval process while Decodo manages the scraping infrastructure behind the scenes. Another thing that I like here is that developers can start building without worrying about a short trial period. The free plan includes 2,000 requests for an entire year, which gives you time to prototype, experiment, and build at your own pace. And because Decodo uses a usage-based model for features like JavaScript, rendering, and premium proxy services, costs remain much more predictable as projects grow. And ultimately, the biggest value Decodo provides, giving AI systems access to fresh, structured, real-world information without forcing developers to spend countless hours building and maintaining complex scraping pipelines themselves. You can build this exact system yourself for free. Head over to the link in the description to grab your 2,000 free requests from Decodo, no credit card required. If you decide to scale up your project later, use my code for 10% off your first paid plan. That's it for today's video. If you liked, don't forget to tap the like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.